Hello everyone and welcome to the 9th video of the Learn HTML series. We've covered a lot about displaying things on our webpage, but let's not forget to document our code. We can do this by writing comments. Let's start by opening our template file in our text editor. So I have the template file here. Let's open it with Notepad. And a little bit more about HTML comments. HTML comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. So let's create a comment. So we do this by using this syntax. So opening tag, then an exclamation mark, and then 2 dashes, then the text of the comment, and then we end it like this. Now if we save this as comment.html, we can now open it in our browser. Let's see the result. And we see nothing. And that is correct, because comments are not displayed in our browser, but it is mostly for the developer. So notice that there is an exclamation point in the start tag, but not in the end tag. So this is important. We can place notifications and reminders in our HTML code by using these comments. Comments can also be used to hide content. So if I have, for example, a paragraph, now if I save this and reload the browser, I can see I want to hide our paragraph. Now if I want to hide it, I can place a comment around it like this. And now if I reload the page, I don't see anything because I've hidden the block of text with my comment. So this can be very helpful if you hide content temporarily. You can also hide more than one line. So everything between the opening comment tag and the closing comment tag will be hidden from the display. So if I, for example, have this p tag, and I have another one, let's create another one like this, and then I can close it like this. So the start of the comment is here, the end of the comment is here. Let's do a bit of indentation. Now if you save this, everything is hidden. So we can also hide more than one line. Comments are also great for debugging HTML because you can comment out HTML lines of code one at a time to search for errors. Last thing to say about comments is that we also can comment out text in the middle of our HTML code, like this, for example. So I have 2 paragraphs like this, and if I want to comment this part, I can do it like this. And now only a part of my paragraph is hidden because of the comment. We can now use comments to document our code or use it for debugging. So it has some nice benefits. In the next video, we will learn more about links so we can send the user of our webpage to another webpage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.